Hey everyone, lately we have noticed a lot of RTK newbies trying out RTK service for the first time using our Sfaira ONE GNSS receiver. Some even come from other industries. So here we are providing a super detailed, easy to follow tutorial to get you started. Contact SingularXYZ support and service team to obtain the APK of SingularPad field service software and install it on your Android devices such as smartphones and tablets.
Open SingularPad. Go to Project. About Software. Click Software Activation. Enter the permanent license to register and activate all software functions. SingularPad software requires additional license. If you have already purchased, you can contact SingularXYZ support and service team to obtain a permanent license.
Power on this Sfaira ONE in an open field and check its serial number.
Open SingularPad software. Go to Device, Communication, and select the model type as RTK. Click the device list to search your Sfaira ONE serial number and click Connect. Go to Project, Project Manager. Click New to create a new project and enter your project name. Click the list icon to enter the predefined projected coordinate systems interface, and click Template to select the projected coordinate system according to your country and area. Click Apply.
Now that you have completed all the basic setup, in the next video we will show you how to set up the working mode and start serving. After connection, you need to connect the Sfaira ONE to RTK correction data for centimeter level accuracy. You can purchase a subscription of your local RTK correction service or set up a base station infringing mode by yourself.
Go to Device, Rover. Select the data link as phone internet. Click to input the IP, port, username, and password of your RTK correction service account. Click Get to obtain the mount point list and select one. Click Start to receive the RTK correction data and click Apply. Now look at the top status bar. The Sfaira ONE now gets a fixed RTK status for centimeter level positioning.
If your project doesn't need highly precise accuracy or lacks access to an RTK correction service in your vicinity, the Sfaira ONE is also adaptable to operate in SBAS mode, providing sub-meter positioning accuracy.
After device connection, go to Device, Communication, click the Debug button and input the following command to activate the SBAS mode. Before sending the command, you should confirm whether your area is covered by SBAS. Sfaira ONE supports VAS, Gargan, Massas, IGNOS, SDCM, and BDS. You can replace VAS in the command with any other SBAS. Click Send and you should receive an OK response. Return to the main interface and you will see the top status bar changes to difference.
For Sfaira ONE users, you can directly start serving, but for Sfaira ONE Plus users, you need to conduct an additional step to initialize the IMU function for up to 6-degree tiered serving. For detailed tutorials, you can ask support and service team or check out the previous videos. Now everything is ready, let's start serving.
Go to Survey, Point Survey. Please confirm the antenna height is the same as your range pole height. Click the Survey button to measure the coordinates of your current point. You can also click the Point Database button to view all your point data.